Listen to part of a lecture in an osteology class.
Let's pick up from where we left off last time. We talked about the bones in the human body, and today we will look at the two types of skeletal system, which are endoskeletons and exoskeletons. Endoskeletons are the kind of skeletons we humans have, which are on the inside of the body. Because the skeletons are inside the body, and covered with layers of soft tissues, skin, and muscles, they provide less protection than exoskeletons, which are formed on the outside of an organism's body. That's why in order to protect some of our vital organs, like our brains, hearts and lungs, we humans have specific bones, like the skull and rib cages, that can do a good job in protecting those organs. Endoskeletons can provide enough amount of support to the body, to withstand the body's weight. They also facilitate locomotory movement, where the body travels from one place to another, mostly using the feet for support, which is why they provide greater flexibility. Endoskeletons are found in vertebrates, animals with a spinal cord, and although they may seem very common to us, interestingly in nature, exoskeletons are more common, as they make up the majority of species on Earth. Exoskeletons are found in arthropods, which are invertebrate animals that have a segmented body, and jointed appendages. Notable arthropods include insects, arachnids, like spiders and scorpions, and crustaceans, such as crabs, lobsters and crayfish. You can notice that most of the animals, that do not have a proper structural backbone, have exoskeletons. Unlike the endoskeletons, exoskeletons do not grow inside the body, thus arthropods have to periodically shed their exoskeleton. When compared with endoskeletons, exoskeletons are usually less strong and are lighter, so they do not support a larger body, nor provide much flexibility. Therefore, most of the organisms with exoskeletons are smaller in size, when compared to those with endoskeletons. There is also a difference in the composition of the two types of skeletal system. Endoskeletons are generally made up of calcium and phosphorus, whereas the exoskeletons of invertebrates are made from numerous proteins, minerals and carbohydrates.
Question 3. What characteristics below are true of endoskeleton? Question 4. What does the professor say about exoskeleton?